Hi Dovan, Mrs. Yulin here. Today we're going to practice reading and writing the sound X. Now when we say this sound, we say it as though we're saying the word kiss, but without the I in the middle. So it sounds like X, 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 X. Should we have a look at some pictures? Exercise, exercise, exercise. Experiment, experiment, experiment. Explosion, explosion. Now watch me draw. Exercise. X. Exercise. X. Exercise. X. Same, same. Same, same. Exercise. X. Exercise. Same, 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 same. Now, let's get X in our pack. Time for speedy sounds. These are some of the sounds that you've already learned. Let's get X in the pack. Remember to say the sounds as you see them, and when you see X, you point right at it. Are you ready? Wow, that was so quick, too quick. I think we could definitely do that again. Ready? Back in the pack it goes. Ready for some speedy sounds? Wow, really, really quick. Well done. One more go, I reckon. Let's get them in the pack. There we go. Wow, super quick. Well done, everybody. Now, let's have a little go at some Fred fingers. So Fred, remember, only talks in sounds. He can't say words. He's given us some sounds. He's given us 3 sounds. Are you ready? Ox. 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 Fox. Ox. Ox. Box. Well done, everyone. Doing really well with your Fred fingers today. So let's now practice writing X. When we write X, we go down the arm and leg, and we repeat the other side. So down his arm and leg, and repeat to the other side. So down the arm and leg, and then repeat the other side. Down his arm and leg, and repeat the other side. Well done, everyone. Thanks for joining me today. Remember, keep practicing your sounds, keep forming your letters and saying those sounds as you go. They will really help you to remember how to form your letters correctly. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye.